Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best budget gaming monitors available right now. I made this list based on performance, features, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget gaming monitor with a 144Hz refresh rate or one with the brightest screen, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Asus VP228HE. This is our best gaming monitor under $100. If you're looking for quality gameplay without spending over $100 for your gaming monitor, then the Asus VP228HE is one of your cheapest options. Currently priced at $100, the 21.5-inch Asus VP228HE offers some impressive features for its budget price, including 1 millisecond response time for games like Counter-Strike Go, Apex Legends, Overwatch, and more. With Asus's Game Plus features, you'll be able to enhance your gaming in-game viewing experience by adding crosshairs, timers, and a first-person shooter counter. You'll find the gameplay is surprisingly enjoyable with the 60Hz refresh rates, although you can upgrade to the 75Hz and 144Hz models for more fluid visuals or stick around for the AOC C24G1 coming up next in the video with a 144Hz refresh rate and buttery smooth gameplay. The VP228HE also comes with 1.5-watt stereo speakers, which is a nice bonus for watching videos, but the soundstage is limited, so don't expect immersive gaming audio. It's great that Asus offers its eye care technology to even their entry-level monitors, so you'll find it lowers blue light and eliminates flickering to reduce eye strain. The key features are display, 21.5-inch display with full HD resolution and 1 millisecond response times. Asus Eye Care. For those marathon gaming sessions, you'll appreciate Asus's eye care technology that helps reduce strain on your eyes. Ports. You get one HDMI and VGA connectivity. Game Plus. Adds in-game viewing for adding a crosshair, timer, first-person shooter counter, and display alignment. Built-in 1.5-watt stereo speakers. Allow for full sound without external speakers. If you're looking for one of the cheapest gaming monitors around, the Asus VP228HE delivers some impressive gaming performance and a few nice features, making it a great starting point for you with a 60Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time on a full HD display, all for under $100. The 4th product on our list is the AOC C24G1. This is our best budget curved gaming monitor. If you're looking for one of the cheapest 144Hz curved gaming monitors around, then the AOC C24G1 is a great inexpensive choice for you. Currently priced at $190, the 24-inch AOC brings a lot to the table for its budget price, including AMD FreeSync, 1 millisecond MPRT, and 144Hz refresh rates on a curved display. It's quite stylish with ultra-thin bezels on 3 sides, which makes it ideal for multi-monitor setups. And at this price, it's justifiable to pick up a pair of them for some impressive gaming, especially with the 1500R curvature. You'll find the Ergo metal stand is quite sturdy with some nice gamer aesthetics. It delivers some surprisingly good colors and consistency for a VA panel, plus the contrast levels are impressive. It's really difficult to find any faults for a sub-$200 144Hz curved gaming monitor. The key features are display, 23.6-inch VA display with full HD resolution with 1500R curvature, 144Hz refresh rate, 3000:1 contrast ratio, 250 nit brightness, 99% sRGB color gamut with 1 millisecond response times. Wide viewing angle, 178-degree wide viewing angle. AMD FreeSync, dynamic refresh rate and eliminates screen tearing and stuttering. Ports, you get 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, DisplayPort 1.2, VGA, and a headphone jack. Both HDMI ports and the DisplayPort inputs support AMD FreeSync. Perfect for multi-monitor setups, with minimal bezel distraction and affordable pricing. For gamers looking to move to a 144Hz gaming monitor, you're really going to enjoy the AOC C24G1's fluid and incredibly smooth gameplay that the faster refresh rates brings to your games, and the curved monitor only adds to the immersive gaming experience. Overall, it's going to be one of your best options for a great curved gaming monitor. The 3rd product on our list is the ViewSonic XG2402. This is our best value per dollar 144Hz gaming monitor. If you're looking for an affordable 144Hz gaming monitor with the biggest bang for your gaming dollar, then the ViewSonic XG2402 may be one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $240, the ViewSonic XG2402 is well suited for impressive gaming with a high 144Hz refresh rate and FreeSync VRR support. You'll find the motion handling is surprisingly good with the fast response time, giving you smooth images without streaking, blurring, or ghosting. You also get 5 levels of rapid response rate that will help correct any overshoot and motion blur when gaming at high refresh rates. Plus, the low input lag can really enhance your gaming, especially for quick in-game reactions. The TN panel delivers sharp pictures, but color reproduction and viewing angles suffer as a result of the TN panel. But as long as you sit front and center, at least the viewing angle shouldn't be a problem. The grayscale performance is not bad, although highlight details can be a little washed out. The dark grayscale is much better. The key features are display, 24-inch display with full HD resolution, 1 millisecond response time, and low input lag. Ports, you get 2 HDMI 1.4, a DisplayPort, and 2 USB 3.0 ports, plus a 3.5mm audio output. 7 gaming presets. You'll get preset customizable visual modes such as Color X that keeps you ready for any first-person shooter, RTS, esports, or MOBA games. Black stabilization increases visibility and detail by brightening dark scenes with 22 customizable levels of black stabilization. AMD FreeSync Premium enables smooth frame rates to enhance your gameplay. If you're looking for a big bang from a budget gaming monitor, the ViewSonic XG2402 is responsive with a fast 144Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, low input lag, AMD FreeSync Premium, and offers versatile connectivity options, making it one of the best value-driven options for you. The second product on our list is the BenQ Mobiuz EX2510. This is our brightest budget gaming monitor. If you find most budget gaming monitors just aren't bright enough, then the BenQ Mobiuz EX2510 is going to be one of your best choices. Currently priced at $250, the 24.5-inch EX2510 offers 144Hz refresh rates, emulated HDR, even decent onboard speakers, and is exceptionally bright with 400 nit brightness. It's sleek with thin bezels and sharp lines with an ergonomic stand, and the triangular base adds a unique aesthetic element to the overall look. You'll find the overall image quality is pretty good with accurate colors, and what's great is that it's really bright for a budget monitor. BenQ's HDRI offers some better saturation and balance, so you do get a little better color experience you normally wouldn't find at this price point. But keep in mind, the HDR is only emulated. The key features are display, 24.5-inch IPS display with full HD resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, 1000:1 contrast ratio, 400 nit brightness, 99% sRGB color gamut with 1 millisecond response times. Ports. You get 2 DisplayPort 1.2 and 1 HDMI 2.0 plus a 3.5mm audio jack. Unfortunately, you don't get additional USB ports. AMD FreeSync support. You'll experience seamless, fluid movement throughout high-res, fast-paced games. Added features. You get your standard image and gaming-enhancing features like Brightness Intelligence Plus, Intelligent Control, and BenQ's Black Equalizer. Light Tuner. You can choose from 20 color settings for your favorite effect in first-person shooter or RPG. Integrated speakers. The two 2.5-watt speakers deliver decent sound. It gets quite loud, but the bass is a little thin. If you're looking for a cheap 144Hz gaming monitor that's exceptionally bright, then the BenQ Mobiuz EX2510 is one of the best budget options for you, with rapid response time, impressive image quality, and buttery smooth gameplay. The first product on our list is the Samsung G5 Odyssey. This is our best overall budget gaming monitor. If you're looking for an affordable, curved widescreen monitor for a more immersive gaming experience, then the Samsung G5 Odyssey is a great option for you. Currently priced at $330, the 32-inch Samsung G5 Odyssey QHD curved screen delivers some impressive visuals with plenty of added features to enhance your gameplay. The aesthetics are definitely gamer with its carbon fiber-like texture and mostly matte black finish. From the sides, you might find it looks a bit chunky, but that's because of the aggressive 1000R screen curve, which is a little more than most curved monitors. The G5 Odyssey also features AMD FreeSync Premium, so no more screen tearing, stuttering, and input latency. With the low frame rate compensation, every scene flows seamlessly. Add the HDR10 support and you'll enjoy deep dark blacks, luminous whites, and outstandingly detailed resolution. The Samsung matches the BenQ when it comes to color accuracy but has a better contrast ratio. Unfortunately, the Samsung falls behind when it comes to screen brightness. The key features are display, 32-inch VA display with QHD resolution, 1000R curve, 144Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response times, 2500:1 contrast ratio, and 99% sRGB color gamut. Curved widescreen, has a 1000R curved screen for maximum immersion. HDR10, you'll find your game scenes come to life with vibrant colors, contrast, and exceptional details. Ports, you get a DisplayPort 1.2 port and an HDMI 2.0 port, plus a USB 2.0 slot. AMD FreeSync Premium, you get effortlessly smooth gameplay with its AMD FreeSync that features adaptive sync technology, which reduces screen tearing, stutter, and input latency. If you're looking for a widescreen gaming monitor, the Samsung G5 Odyssey delivers a fantastic gaming experience on a 32-inch QHD curved screen with fast response times and 144Hz refresh rates, making it one of the best immersive options for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.